Tails.
Tails is called, and it is a tail. Okay, which goal do you want to defend?
Defend this goal.
All right, if you'll come around and put your back to this goal. Whites run the toss and they'll receive. Okay, guys, go back and get your teams, and good luck to you now. Have fun.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. One more time. You know how we get it, right? Break out! Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3! You know!
Turn on three! 1, 2, 3! Turn!
Let's go, let's go.
Kickoff. The world team will receive first, and we are underway. And a good boot to start things, and Charles Chapman. He's both a good passer and runner. He's back looking to throw for the first time. Maybe not. Showing off that speed and the size. And how about that play?
29. Hey, let's watch. Mikhail, watch the safety.
They're inside the NUC red zone. Now Eubank to throw.
Oh, man, bird.
Baby, we gotta keep this up. Keep this up. Let's go, let's go.
Yes. Get it, get it, get it. Go, 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 go,
Got playing inside of you, right? Every whistle is inside of that. All right, so you can get the hook. So we're gonna run the whole thing. All right. Are you playing outside?
I didn't run in yet. I'm gonna tell you.
You outside?
Keep playing back. Keep playing back. But the last one I was in, the safety came down a little bit and was linebacker safety.
Let me get an end call when they run the slant now. All right, let that safety know he's coming.
Good job.
I got him, but the back cut back in. Good block, hey, good block, good block O-line, good block O-line, good block receivers, good block.
The points on the board. He's going to try for another one. He might knock that one right through the uprights.
You making that block, keep going. Yeah.
Little pitch play for Rice. Boy, that hole wasn't there. Just couldn't sneak through. Connor Myers.
Thunder. Let's go, Anthony on the hop. No, I'm talking about the run play.
Stretch. Yeah. You just square up on him.
Yeah, just square up on him.
Guys, good job. Let's go.
Keep moving the chains, Big O. I want to go back in.
I know, man. Let's go.
Let's go, Big O.
Let's go.
Let's go, Big O.
Mikhail Miller throws the football to his tight end, Ebron, right into the end zone for a touchdown.
Touchdown, Team World.
That was nice.
We want to score on defense now. We got to create turnovers. The ball done been on the ground one time and we didn't get to it. If that ball go on the ground, I don't care if I got to dig a hole and come out the other side. I get the football. It's my ball. Remember, this is my grass. Turn the heat up on me. The grease ain't hot enough yet to put the fish in there.
They get a turnover, man. Interception. Shoot the ball, do something, bro. It's our game. Let's go, man. Let's go. Come on, D. Come on, D.
NUC will take over first.
R.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, watch this next drive, yo. 3 and out, man. I'm telling you, 3 and out.
Yes, sir. DC, baby.
Gonzales, Texas Tech, North Carolina, 336.
We got to get this now. Let's go. How you feel?
Good. All right.
How you feel? All right. How you feel? All right. How you feel? All right. Let's go, man.
Go get
NUC.
Whoa! NUC, you know.
Hey, what do we got on the clock? That's not right. Hi, talk to you. How much time we got?
Stop the clock once you have first down. That also. It's already you close it and start. Okay, that's what happened. Start at 50.
I'll believe you this time, but I'll be watching.
Let's go. We need it right now. We need it. Let's go.
Let's go now.
Let's go, baby.
Manziel with time here. Fires for the end zone. He's got it. Touchdown.
You know, baby. NUC. Good job, boys. Nice job, boys. Nice job,
Thank God, baby. Thank God.
Don't count us out. For real.
Let's go.
Start coming. You got the slot. So go ahead, wash him down.
And somewhere we got penetration in us. Everything looked good, but we got to make sure we block our man stands on the whistle.
We've got to do a better job, O-line, in protecting for the 60 series. Okay?
Put it right?
Yeah, safety. They don't know what to do. That's why that too far was good.
Yeah. We should be good though, second half though. We'll be all right.
This game about to be live, bro. We about to get world ass for real, bro.
That's all we got to do, dog. The D got it locked down already. They can't score no more. Let's go.
Baby, lock down, baby.
All day.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Right now, it's 0-0. We get the ball first. Offense gonna put it up. Let's go. Somebody break it down.
NUC on me. 1, 2, 3.
NUC. Go.
Hey, helmets up, helmets up.
Let's go. Get him. They go Tucker. We gotta hit him.
You see that? Yeah, they've been cutting our D tackles. That's not good. That's not good. And I'm supposed to be doing that. Please.
Defense. Defense.
I just gotta keep clean inside. Clean to hold the point right there. Clint, that's you. Good job. Way to take the inside away.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. D, get that ball back.
Let's go, D.
Let's go, D.
Good job, D.
Good job, D.
Mansell will find Camille Jackson again. Tries to get to the corner.
Let's go, D. Call it out. We're working, baby. Let's go.
Mansell with all kinds of time. Down the left sidelines for Washington.
Good D. Let's go. Let's go, Tate.
It's a rugby punter. End over end rugby punt. Pass! Pass! Pass!
No. Short.
Good job, fellas. Good job, Chuck. I got 3 for a loss. We picked up another tackle for a loss and a sack. Yeah.
I got like 1 for 7. I like 6.
Aiming point on the quarterback.
I was trying to go up.
He said he was thirsty. Yeah, that was nice though, boy.
You had me beat a little bit. I tried to hurt him. I
actually thought you had a pick. Yeah. I actually thought you had no pick. I'm trying to dive and pick too. I pick that one time.
I don't know why I put 2 out.
So
I tried to bring it in, but I just like forget it.
No.
Go, Camille.
Let me get him a kick.
Give me a tackle, baby. Give me a tackle.
Cluttered, so I just bounced it.
Cause see that end once he start wheeling out, the end gonna peel out with him.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but not there.
See, that's what we almost did the right before the half.
Okay.
Where he threw it up the sideline.
Okay.
Watch what I tell you. We're gonna beat these people. Watch what I tell you.
There we is though, real time.
Greatest comeback.
Keep 13.
This ain't even. Take away that inside. Take away that inside. Step on.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds. No.
Alex Howell will attempt a 44-yard field goal, but the exchange is bobbled. And the football is loose. Picked up by Team NUC. And that's going to be a touchdown.
Oh, I told you. Look at the score. Look at the score. Look at the score. There you go.
And you see the building. And you see the building. Let's go.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fourth quarter now. Let's go.
World 14.
Okay, Dre.
Mauro Bondi with the appearance of the attempt.
Well, Bondi won't attempt a 53-yard field goal. It's scramble time for Mansell. If he gets a block, he has a lot of running room. He'll pick up the first down and more. To the 20. Still on his feet. Mansell, what a run. To the 7.
Wake Forest.
Hey, I be in there with y'all. I don't care.
Oh, bro, no, you tripping, bro.
Y'all love it. We got a block on this inside right here. Hey, tackle.
4th and goal from the 3.
And
What do you say? He ate that. That's the only way we're gonna win this game.
He just came and he just came full force and just took him from me.
Let's go. Crazy man. Hey, watch us drive down this field and get a quick touchdown for this win.
18, boot left. 318, boot left.
Let's go, all. Let's go.
Let's go offense.
Let's go offense. How y'all doing that shit?
No one's feeling you, bruh. No one feeling you.
Let's go offense. Let's go. Let's go offense. Let's go. Let's go offense. Let's go. Y'all get it up, man.
Offense, let's go.
Let's go offense. Let's go. Let's go offense. Let's go.
Team World of Football down by 3 points. Boy, Eubank is going to look for the deep ball. In stride, the catch made at the 20. KJ Brent.
What a ball, baby. That's why he won the Heisman. I told y'all, man. That's my dude right there, number 8. Hey, good catch on that first down.
Let's go offense, let's go.
Get a couple y'all.
That's what I'm talking about. Team World, baby.
Here we go. Left 2, 129 fade.
Eubank looking to win the game instead. He'll find Bird. That's a touchdown for Team World.
I told you, bro. That's all we needed. That's all we needed, baby. I told you. The game ain't over. Go cover it.
They need to get to about the 33-yard line to have a shot. They have their playmaker. Mansell in there. Back. Looking to set up a deep ball. Down the middle of the field.
Oh my God.
So Bondi from the hold of Mansell. 9 seconds to go for the tie in this All-Star game.
Hey, watch the fight. Let's go, D. Let's go, D. Let's go. Watch the fight. Come on, D.
The young man has the leg.
No good.
He's got the leg.
No
He
good.
had the distance. It is no good.
Oh, yeah,
Let's go, baby. This how we do it here, baby. Team World. Team World, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, get you some of that. Yeah.
Michael Eubank will take the knee, and that's it.
Now, did I not tell you we in here?
Yeah, baby, Team World. You see that W?
This inaugural game, and we hope that you will drive safely this New Year's Eve.
Good job, Paul. Good job.
Yeah, I saw it. Hey, you put the shit up in the air like this? Yeah. I was like, yeah, he's on TV. Have a good one, big guy. Good job, buddy. Yeah, you know. What's up, baby? That's what's up. That game was awesome, man. That was a great game by both of the teams. We came out on top. Came out on top by winning. Hey, yeah, you had. I took that to the wrong angle, bro. You was a smart play. Good game, boy. Good game, y'all. Hey, man. Nail biter, bro. I tip my hat to the blue team. They came to play. They came to play.
That was nice, man. I wish I could do it again next year. It was fun. It was fun. A great experience. Great experience. Ready to go home.
We're going to college time, man. High school over, baby. High school over. That's our last high school. Last high school day, bro. Last thing lost in college, man. We got Bird and young Karen right here.
ASU, baby.
MVPs right here, baby. MVPs right here, you feel me? Hey,
One, two,